everyone. So now I want to have dinner first, science, then I even had a meal for quite a lot of activities. So the stomach is starting to be really crumbling. Incidentally, the food is ready and uh, it tastes really good for energy before the night rest. This is Ryan, guys. So guys, I'm getting ready first. Take a plate, then go straight to eat so that the body is also better. After dinner, chances are I want to relax for a while, then light or immediately rest. Okay? I'll have dinner first. Can wait, guys. I will take my rice. So dark, guys. He's so dark. Okay, guys. So I already checked my food and I'm eating right now. My stomach had been growling for a while. You look my it. So the moment the food was ready, grab it without thinking twice. Now I'm just sitting comfortably while enjoying my dinner. My dinner slowly. This is so delicious. The food isn't anything fancy, just a simple meal. But since I've been pretty tired and busy since earlier today. It honestly tasting really good. I'm eating while taking a little break too, just to let my body relax after a full day of activities. The atmosphere is really nice, quiet and calm, so it makes eating feel even more comfortable. I'm gonna finish meal first and maybe later I'll get myself something warm to drink or sit and chill for a bit before continuing with light activities or getting some rest. I'm eating cookies. Okay everyone, so right now I'm peeling a mango. I saw a few mangoes on the table earlier, and this one really caught my eye. The skin has this bright yellow color with a bit of orange gradient on the ends. Looking like it's perfectly ripe. When I pick it up, the aroma hit me right away. Sweet, fresh, and that classic smell of a ripe mango. This mango, my friend bring mango for me. My friend is so good, very good. I like mango. I'm so like mango because mango is delicious. I want eating mango so much because I'm so like this mango. When I hold it, the texture is soft but still firm, not mushy or falling apart. The skin is really easy to peel. So I am taking away my time peeling it slowly so it comes off neatly. As the skin starts coming off, the flesh shows up. It's deep yellow, smooth and slightly glossy, like it's full of juice. It honestly looks super juicy. So guys, I'm cooked. Made a small cut in the center, and yet just as I thought, the flesh is soft and not too vibrous. when I slide the knife across it, it's cut smoothly. The outside is right, guys. Okay. When the aroma gets even stronger once it's open, sweet, fragrant, and honestly, mouth-watering. This seems like the type of mango that's mostly sweet but still has a little fresh, tangy hint at the end so it doesn't feel overwhelming. Mm. Uh, right now, I'm slicing it slowly so it doesn't get messy because the mango is really juicy. My hand even got for a bit sticky because the juice came when came out when I pressed it. But that's actually what makes it even more tempting. When you look at the slice, they look neat, super bright in color, and really fresh. Mm. This is so delicious and sweety, guys. Mm. Today, I want to tell you about my trip home from campus, and honestly, it was such a dramatic experience. So earlier, when I finished my class and walked out of campus, the sky was already super cloudy. I thought it was just going to be a light drizzle. Hmm, So I didn't really worry about it. But literally, just a few meters after I left the parking area, the rain suddenly uh, poured down really hard. The kind of heavy rain where the sound of the water is so loud you can hear it hitting the ground non-stop. My house is pretty far from campus. So I didn't really have any choice but to head come home anyway. Luckily, I brought my raincoat on my bike, but still, with rain that heavy plus strong wind, the water still managed to get into the small gaps. Just a few minutes on the road and the inside of my jacket was already a bit damp. And my helmet visor was fogging up because of the moisture. My roads were crowded with people trying to find shelter too. The trip felt so much longer than usual. Every turn felt slippery and I had to be extra careful so I wouldn't slip or anything like that. And because the rain was heavy, my visibility was limited, so I had to really focus the whole way just to make sure I could get home safely. The wind was really cold too. It felt like it was cutting through my skin even though I was already wearing a raincoat. After all that effort battling the rain, I finally reached home. As soon as I got off the bike, I could feel how tired my body was. My head started to feel heavy, a bit painful, and kind of dizzy, probably from getting drenched and being hit by the cold wind. When I got inside, I put down my things, took off the raincoat, and sat for a bit just to catch my breath. I made myself some warm water to help my body feel better. Then light down for a while so my headache wouldn't get worse. Mm, and thankfully, after resting a bit, I started to feel a little better. Uh, Later, mm, in the afternoon, since my head wasn't too heavy anymore, I decided to go to my friend's house just to relax a bit and talk for a while. Being there helped my shake off the tiredness from that whole ride journey earlier. Mm, you know, it's raining right now. The sky has been cloudy for a while. Mm, but I thought it was just going to be a light drizzle. Um, Turns out this afternoon the rain come back and it's actually pretty heavy. You can clearly hear the sound of it from inside the house. But not in an extreme way. Mm, just a steady, heavy rain. The street in mm, in front of my house is getting wet again, and some motorcycle passing by are slowing down because there's already a bit for water collecting. On the sides of the road, the wind isn't as strong as earlier, just cool enough to make the the wind to make the air feel colder. The whole atmosphere feels calmer and a bit fresher. I'm still a little tired from getting caught in the rain when I was coming home from campus earlier. Hmm, my head uh, still feels slightly heavy, but not as bad as when I first time eh got home. So right now I'm just sitting and relaxing while listening to the rain outside, drinking something warm and taking a short rest. Nothing too dramatic is happening, just the rain suddenly coming back and making this afternoon feel a bit cooler. Hopefully, it doesn't last too long, so it won't be a hassle if I need to go out later. Um, but for now, I'm just enjoying the rain that's feeling outside. And now maybe I need a coffee. Yeah, I want it. I want to drink a coffee. And wait, guys. Hello. So right now I'm just sitting here, relaxing while drinking my coffee, and I suddenly feel like sharing this moment with you. I just finished tidying up a bit earlier, and honestly, I got pretty tired after running around since the morning. So decided to make myself a cup of coffee just to slow down for a moment. The moment I opened the jar, the smell, the smell of the coffee greeted me like it was saying, "Hey, take a break for a while." Um, when I poured the hot water in, the color slowly turned into red deep. Hmm, the aroma uh, filled the whole room and instantly made me feel calmer. Sometimes just the smell alone and already relax your mind. Now I'm sitting here holding the cup that's still warm. The warmth on my hand feels really comforting. I take a small sip and it tastes just right. Not too bitter, not too sweet. There's this warm sensation that slides down my throat and makes my whole body loosen up a little. While drinking, I'm looking around the place. It's quiet, just a bit of wind and faint sounds of people passing by somewhere far. I feel like moments like this uh, are rare because usually we're always busy, chasing this and that, and we forget to enjoy small things like sitting down and drinking coffee peacefully. Can wait, guys. I want to reply to a message from my boyfriend. Can wait, guys. Oh my god. Okay, guys, let's continue. Wait, yes, I want to drink us. Mm. And I realized something. Coffee is like a loyal friend. It shows up whenever we need a break. When we're tired or when we need idea. And today this coffee is my little little reason to pause for a moment from everything I've been doing. Before starting this video, I sat still for a few seconds just to feel the atmosphere. It's a bit cold outside, but that actually makes the moment feel even nice. The breeze isn't too strong, just enough to make the air cool and comfortable. Mm, I don't really have anything heavy to talk about. I just want to share this small, simple moment that actually means a lot to me. We don't always need something luxurious to feel at ease. Sometimes we just need a little time for ourselves. The warmth of a cup of coffee, and a quiet atmosphere that slowly calms the heart. So yeah, and it is me right now, sitting down, drinking my coffee, spacing out a little, enjoying each sip, and feeling like today suddenly becomes like that. I hope you also get a moment like this, even it's just a short one. Because sometimes uh, the simple things end up being the best part of the day. Mm, I'm so tired, guys. I'm beautiful, guys.